Good morning. In this week's Parsha, one of the admonitions given to judges is mentioned in this week's Parsha, that they should not look at the people they are judging and side one way or the other. In other words, they should not be blinded by this person's wealth or celebrity status or anything that makes this person great. But on the other hand, it also mentions that they should not give favor to the poor because, this person was poor. Of course he stole. He needed to eat. And all that garbage. And it's a very important lesson that we should be, like the figure of justice in front of many courthouses here in the United States is a woman holding the scales of justice who is blind. They're blind because by not seeing who the wealth of the person coming before them or the poverty of the person coming before them, they will be judging the law. They will be judging the spirit of the law. And the spirit of the law is that we don't prejudge. We don't make excuses for the criminal. They talk about in the current situation here in the United States, you're taking parents away from children. Well, the parent had committed a crime. And therefore, we remove them from society. Your heart might go out to these people, but you don't use your heart when it comes to the law. You rule with your brain. You judge with your brain. And it's an important issue because when you judge with your heart, you are led astray. You have good intentions. And as the old adage goes, the world is paved with good intentions. It is interesting to note that in the American Constitution, the one qualification listed to be a justice on the U.S. Supreme Court is the justice has to be of good moral character. They understand what morality is. And they don't give in to their feelings. That no matter how much you feel for that person, whether they're rich or poor, whether they're famous or not, you have to say this person committed a crime and has to be judged accordingly. Something to think about.